Hello, everyone. Hello. Right. Good morning, good afternoon, and any place where there is good evening. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Right. Right. Please do subscribe to my channel of confused videos. So the channel's name is my beautiful name, Faraz dot Mansoor. Right, that's the name of the channel. To cut it short, right, let's move forward. Right, you have been following my network fundamental videos, and before you watch any of my videos, you have to go to my playlist. So from YouTube channel, go to my playlist, and there is some playlists because I do singing as well. So if you are into singing, watch them as well. If you're not, you're doing it for study purposes. So in order to go into my network fundamentals playlist, you have to go Frost.Mansoor, then in the playlist, and then I got networking fundamentals, network fundamentals playlist. Please do go there and see before watching these videos because it will make more sense. Because you will know because they are in order, so you will know what was the last video that I posted. So to cut it short, I'm back again. So I'm excited today because we are coming back to IPv4 subnetting, and we are going to start it properly now after decimal to binary conversion, and then binary to decimal conversions, binary maths, and learning about the subnet mask, class A, class B, class C, normal networking stuff related to IPv4 subnetting mostly, and some OSI layer model, introduction to TCP/IP networking. Yes, I got to do more on that. So now that CCNA has changed its variation and it has gone into a new CCNA, I have tried to create a plan, or I have tried to sort of create a plan in which all of these things can work. So let's get on with it. Very less people from you will know because you're quite new to networking. Anyone that has been in networking longer, especially with IPv4 subnetting, there is a lot of ways of subnetting. A lot of ways of subnetting. But this specific way, because I've done it 3-4 ways myself, this is a specific way in which I think it's very relatable. So I say to it, it's a 256 rule. That's my own created one. 256 rule, following subnetting and networking and Cisco's and other networking, and being from a little know-how from 0.000% of IT. This is a way in which you can easily learn networking and subnetting, especially if you want to find out the ranges, and I'll tell you later what to do with them. So now the other thing we need to do is I want you to just remember this 256 rule of IPv4 subnetting. So now, as you know, we are talking about class C first. So let me take a IP address. So as you know, and I'll let you know now. So anything with 192 is a class C IP address. So 192.168.193, and that's IP address. Now we have to find one subnet mask, and that's a class C subnet mask. 255.255.255, and that's 240. Just to let you know, as you have seen a lot in different books as well and on internet, this particular way of networking is quite relatable because a lot of people know these masks, they keep on changing. So just to let you know, in class C networking, it goes like this. That's a network, network, network. And this is the host part. This is the part we are most interested in. This is where we will be working in class C. So in class C, in this specific IP address, we'll be working here. So similarly, I'll take another IP address. Now see that 192.168.193.75, that's a class C subnet mask. Remember that. Class C subnet mask. Right, we'll take another one. But before I do that, I put a 256 rule. So whatever troubleshooting method you have, or whatever question you have been given, remember this. There is a faster way of doing everything and a very calm way of doing things. So it will save you so much time rather than you going to the front and you calculating the number of hosts and then going through the formula. You will take about 5 minutes doing that. So 256 rule gives you a flexibility that you can minus it in the beginning. So 256, you will be subtracting, or I have some serious issues with saying this word, but I'll try to say it. I usually say minus, but if you are going to subtract this from this, so that's going to be 16. Valid number of hosts is going to be 16 here. It really depends on what you're going to do. So remember this, before you attempt to do anything else, I will tell you, we'll slowly move forward. Remember this 256 rule. Just one thing you need to remember, 256 rule, right? So if the masks keep on changing, supposedly, that's a class C IP address, and I change the mask from 240 to 252, supposedly. So now we are going to use 256. So supposedly, the class C mask changes to 255.255.255.252. Now, IP address might be changing as well. Or it might stay the same IP address, doesn't really matter. Remember, we are working in this host portion. We are not worried about this area at all. What's happening here? None of our concern in class C. In class C addressing, this is where we are going to work in the host side. So now we subtract 256. That's our 256 rule. And we will subtract 252 from it. So 4. Now I want you to see the pattern as well. So here we had 16, supposedly. So when we are discussing or moving into IP ranges, remember this. The ranges will be working like this. Multiples of 16. So 16 multiplied by 116, 32, 48, 64. So it goes 16, 16, 16. Now, so two addresses, just to give you a brief overview, not to confuse you. One will be the subnet address. The other one will be the broadcast address. So rest of the 14 addresses you can allocate to your machine. Supposedly you can have 11 computers, you can have 5 laptops, you can have but they got to be 14. So if I had supposedly 6 usage of products that I have, like 2 iPads, 2 laptops, and I can be 2 PCs, 1 PC, this is going to be the range. So I don't want to confuse you more with this yet, but remember this 256 rule. Please carry on watching my videos. We'll follow this rule through Class C network addressing. We got loads more to go at the moment, so it really depends on the time I have. And we will definitely be fine. But remember, do subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of confused videos. If you feel more confused, watch other videos as well. But follow just one way of IP subnetting. Remember, only one way of IPv4 subnetting is your success. Do not follow 2 or 3 ways if you don't understand one way of subnetting. It will confuse you a lot because one lecturer will be saying, or one teacher will be saying, or person who has written the book might be saying one way of it, of subnetting. Some might be saying another way of subnetting, the one which works best for you. So I won't say just go with this one, just have a look at this one. If you feel it's more easier, why not? Okay, so that's my channel. You go to the playlist, network playlist, and go to the last one, this one, once it's uploaded, I'm going to upload it into a sequence so that you can know. But remember, this is IPv4 subnetting, and this is dealing with Class C. So slowly we'll jump on to practical examples as well. So to cut the video short, what we'll be concentrating more on is problem sums. So we will be doing problem sums so that we know about Class C subnetting. So once we are comfortable with Class C subnetting, we'll move to B, C. If you do get a chance, if my videos you watch, it really depends on how many people watch it. I'll still follow them through because I know there are some people who can't buy the books. There are some people who can't afford buying expensive books. I've been through that. There's people who can't go to unis and other bits and pieces, and they need to pass their exams. This will be a way in which it will be more relatable. And it's not like getting the certificate or getting your degree. It's about learning the skill. Once you learn the skill, you can do home networking, you can do it in a job, or you can do a small certificate, and you can easily allocate these addresses to do your problems or troubleshooting or understand the scenarios of troubleshooting. We will be doing IPv6 subnetting as well, but first we'll concentrate on this. Please carry on watching my videos. They can be quite confused videos, so you have to watch them properly once or twice. You can share them and other bits and pieces as well. So I'll see you in the next video. And all of this which you're seeing is I was polishing my shoes. I've tried to wash hands properly, but I think the polish has gone really high on them. So I'm going to wash them again. Don't worry about it. At the moment, I'm not homeless, so you don't have to worry about it. Even if I am, still the skill of subnetting is there, and you should learn it. Okay, boys and girls, gentlemen and ladies, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.